All we're gonna do is we're gonna cut against the grain. Oh, baby. All right, hey guys, so today we're gonna show you my favorite Asian steak recipe. So we're gonna start, I just have a New York strip loin that I thawed. So I'm just gonna cut it up. So you can see in here, it's very simple. It's about 4 or 5 ingredients, including actually salt and pepper. So what we have here is we have soy sauce. Very, very simple. The second thing that is, to me, is most important is this something called Mirin. So it's a sweet cooking wine, adds a lot of depth, adds a lot of sweetness to it. We have some sugar here, some regular sugar, garlic, salt, and black pepper. The last thing is garlic. Garlic is really, really important in this. So we're just gonna first start by smashing and cutting up the garlic. With this recipe, I know there's a lot of opinions out there as whether or not to marinate steaks. For me, I like it to be marinated, a lot of that sauce in there. So today I'm just gonna score the edges because the fat does tend to kind of curl up when it cooks. So got that there. We're gonna put the garlic in, just make sure that it's nice and coated. Second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add the sugar. So, I mean, soy sauce. Oh man. So just add a splash of soy sauce. Then we're gonna go for the mirin. Splash of mirin as well. And then a little bit of sugar. And the last thing, mix it around. I'm just gonna use my hands. And I typically marinate this at least 2 hours, just so that the sauces can get into the meat. Trust me, this is such a simple marinade, but it actually does wonders. Will be in the fridge. Hey guys, it's about 12:17 a.m. right now. I'm having my first big meal. Have the pan getting nice and hot. Really important when you're cooking a steak to allow it to get to room temperature. So this has been out for a little while now. This ensures a more even cooking process so that the outside isn't just cooked and the inside is raw, and you get more even when you sear it. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil. What we're gonna do is we're going to start to place it on. I'm just gonna place it here first. Okay, that's hot. So depending on the thickness of the steak, that's gonna dictate how long it's gonna cook for. I usually go for a medium rare. What we're gonna do is we're gonna basically render the fat right now. And then we're going to place it here. That's when and the smell here is incredible. Let it rest. We'll let it rest it here. So, really important to let the steak rest for a couple minutes so that the juices suck up and absorb back into the steak. All we're gonna do is we're gonna cut against the grain. Oh baby. You guys seeing this juice? Oh, cut myself. Oh baby. Let me just try this. Here you guys. Here you go. Look at that. Oh my god. All that deliciousness. We're gonna be frying some eggs in there. There you go. Perfect. Honestly, guys, I'm super excited. I already started snacking on the steak. Oh man. Guys. I need my back rest. My back rest. Okay. Now I gotta do one for Instagram too. Take them. Sorry guys, I had to take a little bit of filming, so. Oh my God. Let me just cut this. This piece is for you guys, okay? This one right here, with a little bit of fat. Here you go. Look at that. Have the first bite. Mmm. 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 Look at this. Oh, baby. We're gonna give you guys one more bite. One more bite. We got some steak. We got the rice. We got the egg. Here you guys go. Take that bite. Take it. Guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Send me a message. I really want to hear what you guys think. And also, if you want to see more of this, subscribe to my channel. All right, peace out.